If you need to export Figma files to CMYK for professional printing, this video will walk you through the easiest way to do it step by step. Since Figma is built for digital design, the key is using a print workflow that converts your artwork into a CMYK-ready PDF with the right color profile for your printer. This is especially useful if you're preparing posters, brochures, flyers, packaging, or any design that has to look accurate in print. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more simple design tips and workflows. Now let's jump in. First, open your Figma file and select the frame or layout you want to print. Make sure you choose the exact frame that contains the final artwork because this is what you will export. If you have multiple versions on the canvas, double check that you're working on the correct one before continuing. Next, look at the bottom toolbar and click the Actions icon. This opens up extra tools and options inside Figma. From there, click on Plugins and Widgets. In the search bar, type Printery and run it. Printery is the tool that helps you prepare your Figma design for print output, including color management and export settings. Once the plugin launches, it will ask you to choose your target IC color profile. This step is really important because the IC profile controls how colors are translated for print. If your printer gives you a specific profile, use that one. Otherwise, common choices include Figma 39 or GRACoL to Fenty 13, depending on your region and printing provider. After selecting the profile, move on to your print settings. Here you can adjust things like 300 DPI resolution, bleed, and crop marks if needed. For most print jobs, 300 DPI is the standard because it gives you sharp, professional quality output. Bleed is useful if your design goes all the way to the edge of the page, and crop marks help the printer trim it accurately. Take a moment to review these settings carefully because they can make a big difference in the final result. Once everything looks correct, export the file directly to a print-ready PDF format. This gives you a clean file that can be sent to your printer without extra editing. After exporting, it's always a good idea to open the PDF and check that the colors, layout, and margins look right before sending it off. And that's it, you've now learned how to export Figma files to CMYK for print. If this helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Figma tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.